Welcome to e-learning platform of Christ College. Today we discuss about acid rain. Acid rain is a term is defined as the wet or dry deposition of acid forms. That means the pH is below 7 is known as acidic condition, and the above, that is 0 to 7 pH, is acidic, and above the 7 to 14 pH, that is called alkaline pH. The acid raining means the rain have the pH below 5.5. Normally, the rainwater react with the atmospheric carbon dioxide to form carbonic acid. This carbonic acid have a pH 5.5, and it also contribute for the acid rain. Oxides of sulfur and the oxides of nitrogen that react with the atmospheric water or the rainwater to form H2SO4, that is sulfuric acid, and nitric acid. This phenomenon is known as acid rain. The main formation of acid rain is contributed or attributed by human activities. Human emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide contributed to acidification of rain. The different sources of H2S, that is a hydrogen sulfides, or otherwise the oxides of sulfur and the oxides of nitrogen, is from burning of fossil fuel, coal, or other type of industrial activities. The major sources of acid production agent, acid producing components are coming out from the industries. The major contributor, the one of the major contributor for the acid rain problem is the coal power plants. The large number of coal is burning, it produces large amount of hydrogen sulfides. Next we discuss about the effect of acid rain.